What it do, world? Hey, this milk dud head ass judge getting tired of this case. Like this shit heading toward a mistrial, man. Real talk. Like y'all got to understand what a RICO is, man. This is not a RICO, man. What my President Trump doing or done? Now that's a RICO, and they know that. You feel me? But some niggas that's selling a couple grams of weed, this nigga stealing and robbing, and he trying to rap, and we don't know what he doing. And he got them a janitor. This nigga work at McDonald's. Come on, that's like a whole lot of niggas just doing a whole lot of shit. That wear shit that say YSL or slime. Like, what the hell? Like, that ain't. But anyway, the judge is getting tired of this shit, man. And it is what it is, man. Let's get into it.
12, it's not exculpatory, it's gone.
Your Honor, we would ask because we would ask that all of this be reserved for the 16th because this all came up in September. You said you allowed us to.
I am really annoyed about this, Ms. Hilton. I just am. This is ridiculous. Your witness list has grown by 2/3 since then. And I don't know why. You better have a dang good explanation on the 16th. Because if you don't, I'm going to exclude it.
You want to know why it grown like that? Because they don't have a case. So they fishing. That's what they call fishing. They keep on stalling this man out. And the judge, he ain't only mad because they stalling it out. Just the other day, they had him on the news. They had the whole Fulton County little jail system on the news for housing niggas for over years. You feel me? With no bonds or no court dates. It's getting ugly. You hear me?
Okay. But right now, I'm telling you, without anything further, it's gone.
Well, we would like to
include a lot more on that date because this is ridiculous. There is no plausible explanation I've gotten and that would suffice that we just kind of keep, well, you keep dripping and drabbing out evidence.
Well, we'll be asked to be heard on the 16th, Your Honor. We'll have all the explanations for the court.
I'm telling you, it better be a good explanation. And if it's not, I'm going to exclude it. I'm just going to tell you that right now because you all have also dragged the court along in terms of, I've asked Ms. Hilton, not Ms. Hilton, I've asked Ms. Love several times to tell me why it is that it's taken so long. And the explanation I get is we have duplicates, okay? I don't doubt that there's probably some duplicates, but I still have an issue with why your witness list has grown, almost doubled. I just do. And can you explain that to me at this point in time, Ms. Hilton?
Your Honor, the state's witness list has not grown. All of the witnesses that are on the compiled list are in the discovery. And we have case law to say so long as that they're in.
It's because all these niggas ain't YSL, man. All them niggas is wannabes, man. A lot of niggas on Cleveland Ave, just because that's where they hood at, don't mean they YSL, man. On some real shit, though.
The discovery, the state does not have to provide a consolidated witness list. Every witness was in discovery in a police report or in some other type of report. So the idea that we provided a whole bunch of new names is just not true. And so we will further explain this with the relevant case law on the 16th. All of this is inside of our motion that we have filed. But this notion that we provided new witnesses, that is not the case.
That is the case.
Okay, well, listen, if you haven't disclosed this, and I'm telling you right now, in 1 through 12 already, it's not otherwise in there, but any documents that you've already supposedly given in discovery, I'm going to exclude it. I'm going to exclude it. If it's a duplicate and you can show the court and counsel here that, yeah, we gave that to you in discovery dump 3, and it was in there, then that's, I don't have any issue with that. Because I do agree that as an advocate, you do need to search your own discovery and whatever. I get that. But if this is the first time it's coming out,
We would ask that you hold ruling, Your Honor, until the 16th so we can have a proper hearing, Your Honor.
I object to that. You've ruled.
Your Honor, that's the date that you set it for us, because that is the date that the court set it for us to give us an opportunity to be heard, and we are asking that we can be heard on the date that you set for the motion.
well, I haven't heard anything at this point in time. Did you disclose Officer Baker's report in Discovery Dumps 1 through 12?
I need to check that, Your Honor. That is what I'm saying, that we've provided to defense counsel a list of all the duplicates that we have provided, that we've served. So I need to confirm whether or not that is a part of the list of duplicates we have given to defense counsel for both Discovery 12 and Discovery 13 an audit to let them know what has previously been served. So I need to, at this point, I do not have the discovery audit in front of me, but I will need to confirm whether or not that has occurred.
Okay, all right, Mr. Steele. I'm gonna wait until that time, but in terms of 27, and you also, I think, made the same argument for 28. Is that correct on this Officer Brian?
Man, that's enough of that, man. On some real shit. Like, y'all don't have nothing, man. You have a whole bunch of niggas that's just catching bullshit cases. You feel me? Like, he under stress because, hey, they on Fulton County head, man. He was just on the news and they asking him, like, how y'all housing the men in this jail for that long? And they don't have no explanation. So now y'all in the court playing. All they gonna do is take that shit off, get them niggas cases, and it's gonna be time served, man. Probation and some dumb shit. Like, all this dragging this out like this, man, it don't make no sense, man. Really, you violating a nigga rights. Really, like, straight up, like, ain't no way around that. And see, Thug know he about to get out, so nigga just, it is what it is, man. Niggas gotta go through this when they're part of something. Allegedly, you feel me? But now he know who. Now you can just, hey, nah, ain't none of that. Ain't no hanging, ain't no, none of that. But it is what it is, man. Y'all know what it is with me, man. It's true. I'm out.